Students, now on page number on 203, question number 3, write the division in the form of repeated subtraction as shown in the example below. Here, look here one example is given. When 10 is divided by 2, we'll get answer 5. Hence, how we have to write? 2 can be subtracted 5 times from 10. So students, here we have to write according to our example. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So how we will write? Hence, 5 can be subtracted 3 times from 15. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Hence, 2 can be subtracted 7 times from 14. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Hence, 3 can be subtracted 6 times from 18. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Hence, 4 can be subtracted 5 times from 20. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So, hence 7 can be subtracted 3 times from 21. This is called your repeated subtraction. Look here. I will show you here. Suppose you are having 15. Then 15 can be subtracted 5 can be subtracted 3 times. See, 15 minus 5, you will have 10. Okay. Again we will subtract by 5. So 10 minus 5 will have 5. Again we will subtract by 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So students, how many times we have subtracted 15 from by 5? 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. So 5 can be subtracted 3 times from 15. 1, 2 and 3. Fill in the blanks as shown in the example given below. Look here. How many times can 8 be subtracted from 16? 2 times. 16 divided by 8 will be subtracted 2 times. Now, write here answer. How many times can 6 be subtracted from 18? So, look here. 18 minus 6, you will get 3. So, how many times? 3 times. How many times can 8 be subtracted from 24? Then it will be 3 times. 24 divided by 8 equal to 3. Okay. Look here. 24 we will do minus 8. How many times it can be subtracted? Look here. If we have 24 and if we subtract 8 from 24, what we will have? 1. We cannot subtract 4 by 8. So, we have to borrow 1 from here. So, we will get 14. So, 14 minus 8 will be 6 and 1 it will down. Again we have to subtract by 8. 6 minus 8 cannot be done. So, we have to borrow 1 from our neighbor. So, it will become 16. 16 minus 8 will be 8. Again we can subtract by 8. So, 8 minus 8 will be 0. So, students, how many times we have subtracted 24 by 8? So, this is your 1 time. This is your 2nd time. This is your 3rd time. So, total 1, 2 and 3 times we have subtracted 24 by 8. So, it 3 times Hence 24 divided by 8 will be 3. Similarly, you can do the other sums. Thank you.